In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use piano in BandLab. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the BandLab website. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. When the sign-in options appear, choose the option to continue with Google. Select your Google account, then confirm by clicking Continue. This connects your account so you can access your projects and use the studio. If you see a consent screen, it's just requesting permission for BandLab to link with your Google profile. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your feed. From here, go to Library. This is where all your current projects live. Click the project you want to work on so it opens its details page. Next, enter the studio. The studio is BandLab's music creation workspace where you'll add tracks, play instruments, and record ideas. Inside the studio, look for the option to add track. When the track type menu appears, choose Virtual Instruments. This tells BandLab that you're going to use a software instrument instead of a live audio recording. A new instrument track will appear with a default sound loaded. To switch it to a piano, click the current instrument name, which might show something like Studio Grand. That opens the full instrument browser. From the categories, select keyboards to narrow the choices to piano and keyboard sounds. Now pick a piano sound you like, such as grand piano. As soon as you select it, the piano layout will be available at the bottom of the studio. You can click the on-screen keys with your mouse to audition notes, or use your computer keyboard if you prefer. If you have a MIDI keyboard connected, it should also work right away. Adjust your track volume on the mixer to avoid clipping, and consider using headphones to reduce latency and keep your monitoring clean. When you're ready to capture an idea, use the main record button to start and stop recording on the selected piano track. The studio shows your performance as MIDI notes, which you can edit later for timing or pitch if needed. You'll also see helpful tools in the top bar, like tempo and loop controls, to keep your composition tight and consistent. Try a few different keyboard presets to find the tone that fits your song, from clean grand pianos to lo-fi keys and electric pianos. BandLab saves changes automatically, so you can focus on playing and experimenting without worrying about losing progress. And that's all you need to start using the piano in BandLab.